So ito na nga guys, nakuha na natin the iPhone 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium. Ito na yung pinakabagong kulay nila. Let's unbox it. Ooh! Ang ganda niya guys.
Bagay siya sa akin. It's pink.
It's rose gold.
It's pink. Is that mine?
Is nahingit yung asawa ko guys. Patay tayo dyan.
It's pink lang.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Patay tayo dyan guys. Ingat tayo. Pero mukhang rose gold. Mukha talaga siyang rose gold na
Pink.
desert titanium. So, what's included in the box is the phone. Siyempre, walang charger, pero braided cable. And SIM ejector tool. Merong mga manual yan sa ilalim. Pero nakita nyo na yan sa ibang reviewers.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ang ganda niya guys. Sobrang ganda. And
it's pink.
it's not pink, it's rose.
It's pink.
Somewhat pinkish, goldish. Desert. Mukhang disyertong mamahalin. Ito na. Let's turn it on. And can you see that? Yan yung bagong button nila guys. The camera. Hindi daw yan button, pero button yan. The camera button. So let's turn it on and see if it works. So, ayan na siya guys. And ayun nga, comparing it to my old phone, hindi na switch, button na rin yung ano dito. Kabubukas ko pa lang nitong iPhone 16 Pro Max and I'm gonna be giving out a review. Iko-compare ko siya sa iPhone 14 Pro Max, sa 15 Pro Max para makita natin kung ano ba ang difference and kung makita natin kung worth it ba talaga instead na 14 Pro Max na bilhin nyo. So that's it. See you on the next video.